What up, guys? Welcome to Keystone. It's absolutely puking, and they already got like 6 inches, so we're gonna have a big, sick paddle day. All right, we're going right to the back, trying to get the best possible big mountain we can get. All these people strapping in. No need to strap in here.
Johnathan Buckhouse!
What up, dude? Hey! Let's go! Oh my! Oh, Damon! Oh, Damon! Don't fall over, Damon! Dude, there's so much snow. Dude. We don't even have to try. Come on! Oh. Keep up, Damon! Oh, dude! Woo! I could have brought a paddleboard for this. All right, we're swapping to 360 because poor Damon. Oh. I'm sorry, guys. Oh. Oh, it's gonna be a day. Oh, almost died right there. Okay, I wasn't ready for this much snow. I'm ready now. Next round's gonna be insane. Woo! I got a quick little section to kick over here. We're gonna be riding Big Mountain today. Oh, this is spillway's about to be insane. We don't even have to go in the trees to find the snow. It's like we're in it. We're in it. Whoa! Should have brought a paddleboard today. Oh! We gotta keep our speed. It's a kind of a thicker snow today. Hopefully in the trees it gets a little easier. Oh man, that was nuts. This is the most I've ever rode. Right at my fingertips of Keystone. Take a look, we're at the Outback. No one here right now, which means we're one of the first peoples back here. You ready for this, Damon? This is gonna get insane.
You're flying on that board.
Where's Nate? All right, so we're in the Outback. No one's come down yet. We literally left Nate. No friends on a pow day. Actually, I feel like that's leaving Nate, but it was getting a little awkward. A bunch of people were trying to show up. Oh! This is some thick snow for Colorado. Oh. 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 Oh, it's so thick. Oh. Oh my gosh! Oh. It's so hard to turn, but it's so good. Oh. 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 It's so thick. So next time we'd go into those trees, but because we're the first one in here,
this is the best.
We're gonna take what's low hanging fruit, you know? I'm on the wrong snowboard today. I needed all the help I could get. Someone's coming. Someone get my line. Whew. Dude, these moles are massive though. Whew. Dude, there's no one out here. Oh. Ah! Why are these moguls so big? I've never had moguls this big in this area. That right there is a new run that they cut, by the way, for when they put that new chairlift in. That's a new run. This is a dream resort run. The Colorado doesn't get huge snow dumps like this often. This empty. Oh, this is the problem though. Being one of the first through, you gotta break trail out of here. That was insane, guys. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, woo, you're messing up. I'll meet you at the lift. I'm not stopping. Woo! I'm so happy someone broke trail for me, because being the first through this one sucks.
Oh! Dude, that's crazy. Holy crap.
I told you I knew where to go.
Holy crap.
All right, guys, before we drop this next run and get some insane snow, we do gotta mention today's video sponsor, Bombas. So Bombas is socks, underwear, and t-shirts, but for skiing and snowboarding, the most important thing is the socks. I'm rocking Bombas socks right now, the compression socks, and my feet are toasty warm and they feel great. You want long socks. You want socks that are gonna go above your boots. You don't want to be rocking those ankle socks that are like rolling up or falling down in your boots. But once again, sometimes when you're getting cold feet on the mountain, it's because you're rocking the wrong socks. It's so important to be having the right socks. One cool thing about Bombas is they have the give and pack. So basically, when you buy a pair of socks, underwear, or shirts, when you buy one, they give one to partners all across the world to help people in need that need socks, underwear, or shirts. So Bombas is not only an incredible product, but it's an incredible brand giving back. And they also have kids products. So Roman and Bristol, they got like little Cookie Monster and Elmo and other incredible designs for kids. So your kids are gonna have warm feet out on the mountain too. So if you need warm socks, stay warm on the mountain when it's absolutely puking and you're getting so much pow, Bombas is a great place to get your gear because it's a great product, doing great things. All right, enough talking. There's still fresh lines out there. We gotta get it. We gotta say this quietly so no one knows where we're going.
Where we're going.
They don't have a ton open on the Outback, but there's a spot, a special spot that we can always get to. You see this rope?
Yeah, okay.
So remember, the moment this Hey! Welcome to any powder day, always fresh turns. Hey! Oh my, let's go. Way better than the crazy moguls. Whee! Get a little tight. Always try to make sure you can go a little bit, stop, regroup. The best part about where we're at in the day now is like I don't have that eagerness to be the first one in and stuff. Like we got you guys some fresh turns. And now we know what's left is like what we can find. This is my way out of here. Ooh. Yeah, Damon, pull! So we should still be able to get some pretty gnarly untouched lines in here. Burn custom grip, pal. Better when it's kind of chopped up a bit. Oh. Whoa, get over the rope. Oh. Whoa! Oh. That was a hard turn on my way out of here. Ooh. Yeah, Damon, breaking trail. Hey! Remember I said about being the first to do the best stuff? I need you the first to walk out of the best stuff. We're gonna do the Lord's work and we're gonna make a double path out of here.
Mom, this is crazy.
Kelly.
Kelly and
Nice
Christian.
to meet you.
Thanks for all the work out here. How's your day? All right, guys. There's only one thing on this mountain more insane than this powder, and that's today's sticker shout out. Sean's calling me. We got Joe Quinn. I don't know how to say your name, man, with the white sticker on the helmet. Looking insane. Thank you so much for tagging Evolution sticker. Guys, we have so many styles and versions of the Evolution sticker to fit anybody's style or color or anything like that. Especially if your style is being a skier, we have a ski version of all of our merch. Even the face buffs now, we have ski versions of the face buffs. Go check out the merch. It's insane. Thank you to everyone that does snag it. And if you do, it's the easiest way for me to say what up to you guys on the mountain. Hey, little man. Yo, little dude. That is a sick sticker.
What's up?
That's the sickest sticker. What's your name? As well as if you snag the merch, just tag me on my Instagram so I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs in the vlogs like I just did. But also make sure you're following the Instagram, the TikTok, and the YouTube shorts for that bonus vertical extra content. We've been making so much short form content that we hit 100,000 on Instagram. I'm so stoked on that, as well as over 200,000 on TikTok. So guys, thank you so much for all the love and support on the short form, and then obviously the YouTube shorts, we're pumping those out as well. So, all right, enough talking. Do you think we can get another untouched, insane line where it's really hard to turn because it's a lot of snow? We're on a burn custom and we're the first through. Those are like taller than me moguls.
Those were big moguls. I would like go to take a turn, I just fall in.
I've never rode moguls that big in that zone. I'm above you, Nate. Are you kidding me right now? It's just untouched forever. The most untouched I've ever ridden at Keystone. Absolutely insane. And when you're riding this much untouched, you don't have to worry about making big clouds or anything. You're just turning. Oh, we're definitely at the bottom now. Let's find our way out of here. Me and Damon's tracks, getting everybody out of here. You're welcome. I just looked up the very first run we came down when we came in here, and now it's like full of a bunch of people completely tracked out. We did it right.
Dude, that's crazy.
I told you I knew where to go.
Yeah.
No.
Every time I turned, I made cracks.
Let's go.
It was sick.
Let's go make some more cracks. Alrighty. Just keep going down. I'll see you at Ruby. Are you kidding me? Ah! We're back. Whoa. All right, we're out, and I'm gonna 1 foot this. This is how you get good at 1 footing, kids. You just do it through the hard stuff. Ah, it's kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie. I'm going so fast for 1 footing.
That was wild.
Wasn't that good?
I went way right.
Dude,
Yeah.
I couldn't hear you, but how was it way right?
It was sick.
Oh!
I found like, dude, there's a ton of animal tracks in there.
Oh, dude, your tracks.
Yeah.
The real
animal.
Let's run that back one more time.
Yeah, yeah. Run it back!
There you go.
I did a...
Slow down, there's drops over here, Dave.
It's so deep.
Yeah. Oh. There's a lot of rocks in front of you, Damon.
Oh, I guess I'm going first.
No.
Sorry. Oh.
Oh. Woo! I think it is safe to say, like, this might be the best powder day Keystone I've ever gotten. Like, every single run we've done has been fresh tracks, like no turns in front of us. Insane. There's still plenty out there, and obviously you guys are probably like, go get more. And I'm like, I'm gonna go get more. But I think we end the video here. We did it. Gave you guys 4 insane runs, and I'm so stoked with how today has gone. We're gonna go film a bunch of extra videos for you guys now. So with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for training with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow in another video. It's daily on this channel.